I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on the Mi11X device, but by using the Realme cooling fan and by using the phone to power the Realme cooling fan. So yes friend, this is a unique kind of testing which I started to do recently, and a lot of users they did ask me to do video on this particular smartphone because I did upload the first video on the IQ7 device. As you can see friends, I did upload the first video, and a lot of users from the Mi11X fans, they did ask me to try this Realme cooling fan by connecting directly to the phone and powering it and testing the Antutu benchmark score. So how much the score will be getting in this kind of intense kind of testing, because you are drawing the power and you are meanwhile you are trying to use the CPU and the GPU for the benchmarks as well. So let's see friends what the results are going to be. So really this is a really interesting test and challenging test for the phone as well to perform really great. But IQ7 phone did really well in terms of doing this kind of performance in extreme intense stress on the phone. So let's test right now in our video whether this phone will be able to survive this kind of extreme intense test or not. So most of the time usually the processor will be getting heat in this kind of area, so I'll be using this cooling fan exactly in this part friends. So first let's check the temperature, how much it will be there. Right now it's of only 35 degrees as you can see, so without using any kind of cooling fan, so not using any kind of cooling fan, also 35 degrees as you can see friends clearly this part. And my room temperature is also pretty normal, 32 degrees only. So there is no AC, there is no cooler turned on at this point, and I don't have any of those as well in my studio. So because this will definitely impact the scores, that is the reason I did not keep them. So overall the phone is about 35 degrees right now. As you can see, let me quickly turn off the Wi-Fi and clear all the background applications. As you can see friends, all the background applications are completely cleared, as you can clearly see here. So let me open the settings and show you exactly what kind of refresh rate and what kind of display I'm trying to use, what kind of settings. So here's the refresh rate, I'm trying to use a 120 Hz as well during this time of demonstration. And the brightness, let me try to show you, I think I'll try to keep around 50% brightness, because the same kind of testings I did with the IQ7 as well in terms of the brightness level. So you're seeing this kind of flickering only on the camera. In the live you won't be seeing any kind of flickering issues. So when you decrease the brightness, this is what happens sometimes. So this with 50% brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate, let's test out how much the performance of the phone gonna be. So usually the Antutu benchmark score for this Mi11X will be around 6,86,000 to 6,85,000, 6,80,000 sometimes. So this is around the score of this Mi11X gonna be every time I do the testing. I think these are testing which I did intense kind of testing. These when I think 3 times Antutu benchmark test when I did. Try to check this video friends in case if you want to see that video. So in this 3 times Antutu benchmark test, this phone did record last score as 6,70,000. That's a really good score. That is the reason you are seeing really low, but usually it will be around 6,85,000 to 6,90,000. So finally friends, successfully I did install the Realme cooling fan on the back side of the Mi11X device. As you can see friends clearly, I did install. Let me need to switch on this power, and it's working 100%. As you can see friends, it's working clearly. Let me need to start the Antutu benchmark test. So right now the Antutu benchmark test has been successfully started in this phone using the Realme cooling clip, as you can clearly see friends. And even I did start the stopwatch as well, so I can discuss what's the temperature is going to happen. So right now in the beginning 36 degrees, it started to increase a little bit, but not much, 36 degrees only in the beginning. In the back side 34 degrees right now. So under this exactly 33 and 34 degrees I'm trying to get under this. So let's see friends how much the score will be there in terms of after using the Realme cooling clip, whether it will impact this performance or not. But this is a really unique kind of testing friends in terms of the phone's performance levels. So charging the Realme cooling fan at same time and performing the high benchmarks in the smartphone, it's a really great way to test whether the phone has really that kind of capabilities or not. So in case if you want more videos on this Mi11X device, so make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly friends. And also if you have any other queries, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible. So recently I did upload a video on the 4G data speed test as well, comparing the Realme X1 Max. So make sure to check that video in case if you are interested to know. Let me need to keep the phone on the back side of this here. Let me see whether it will be standing or not. I'm trying to, because it's very hard to hold for a long time, I'm trying to manage on the stand. Let's see whether it will fit or not. Exact position. Yes, I think it's gonna be like this for some time. Let me try to keep it for some time friends, because it's very hard to hold for a very long time. So again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes in checking the temperatures. As you can see friends, right now it's of close to more than 7 minutes of time, and the temperature increased up to 40 degrees, as you can see friends, on the top. So not more than 40 it increased during this time of testing. Completely it's 40 degrees only. Let me try to test the back side of the phone, how much the temperature is of back side. So it's maintaining around 37 and 35, as you can see friends, 37 and 35, but not much. So in case if you want me to change the position of this one, so make sure to comment below which position you want me to choose. So definitely I'll try to do next time testing as well, but right now it's 34 degrees overall. So again I'll be back after the end of the test. So let's see how much score the Antutu benchmark results will be there on this MI 11X device. As you can see friends, right now the phone has been finished the Antutu benchmark testing successfully, and the scores are really good. And right now let me try to quickly increase the brightness and show you exactly the results, what is happened. As you can see, 6,85,000, as you can see. So you may think the score is slightly less than the IQ7 in terms of the overall score, but you need to look at the CPU and the GPU scores actually, because my memory is a lot of full in the MI 11X device, because I was using this phone as much more than any other phone, because I did install so many games and so much of storage is really full. That is the reason this memory section has got really less points when compared with other smartphones. So it's better to focus on this CPU and the GPU. I took the screenshot and I'll try to compare. So before screenshot and after the after this kind of testings. So let me need to quickly show you the final temperature. It's not that high. So overall increased up to 41 degrees only during this time. Let me need to open the gallery and show you the result. So this is a screenshot which I have taken before. So this is a screenshot which I have taken now, right now, today. As you can see, 6,85,000, and before it did reach up to 6,90,000 as well. So try to observe the CPU scores. So CPU score 1,91,000 CPU, and before it is the CPU score. Let me try to show you 1,89,000, as you can see friends, and the GPU 241 and 240. You can see the slightly improved CPU performance little bit, but not much, and temperatures 42.7 at that time the highest, and right now 41 degrees, as you can see the temperatures as well, how it's varying. Can see clearly. So I'll try to use this Realme cooling maybe somewhere around, maybe in the middle or something like that, and I'll try to see again what is happening. But this time of the testing you should consider, because the phone is actually powering the Realme cooling fan and doing the benchmarks at same time. So by doing these two activities and you're getting really good score, 6,85,000, that's a really amazing thing in the MI 11X device. So this is a quick result friends. So same kind of extreme test I'm gonna put on the other phone, which is a the Dimensity 1200. I'll try to do it on that phone very soon, and to check the result of the Antutu benchmark test. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So let me try to quickly remove this Realme cooling fan from the back side and check the temperatures immediately, how much it can be there. The temperatures 20, as you can see, 24 degrees, 23 the lowest, and the phone temperature 32. Sides 31, 33, and in the middle 32. As you can see friends, the phone temperature as well, you can clearly see here. This part of the area is really cool, and some kind of water as well, little bit, but not much. So this is a quick review friends, using the Realme cooling fan powering from the phone and doing the Antutu benchmark at same time. There's a really good advantage in this powering the Realme cooling fan. Small device, but it's not that power consuming overall. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more interesting updates, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.